Hello everyone, it's Kirby here with KJF-TravelAdventures, and we're heading to Animal Kingdom today to check out all the Christmas offerings and decorations in Animal Kingdom. So let's go! So there's no specific rides in Animal Kingdom with Christmas themed overlays, but it's Animal Kingdom, so we have to ride Safari. Let's go. Y'all, I got distracted by that pumpkin cheesecake muffin, which was delicious. So now let's go ride Safari. That was the most baby animals I've seen on the safari ever. And the cheetah was up walking around instead of sleeping like a normal cat. So we're done in Africa. Let's go see if they celebrate Christmas in Pandora. So they celebrate Christmas in Pandora. Good to know. So most of the Christmas decorations at Animal Kingdom are in that Discovery Island where you first enter, which is where the Merry Menagerie is, which is those interactive animal puppets. They were so cool. That was the best part of all of the Christmas decorations at Animal Kingdom. And we rode Safari, and we saw so many baby animals. So that's it. We're heading home. I'm Kirby with KJF-TravelAdventures. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and also click the subscribe button so you can keep up with all our adventures. Thanks for watching. Bye.